The Prandelli family began iron smelting on an industrial scale in 1901 with grandfather Giovan Battista, who together with his brothers Bartolo and Francesco founded the first factory, which after the Second World War divided into 3 separate firms, giving origin in 1946 to the present name of Mepra, Metallurgy Prandelli. Initially, production was cutlery, first made of aluminum and then brass, and after that, for the first time in Italy, in stainless steel from 1951. As suppliers to the best chains of 4-star and 5-star hotels, all Mepra products are available in the thick EPSS silver-plated version. EPSS means electroplated stainless steel. For cutlery, over 30 microns thick and 10 microns for the silver plate. Quality which is guaranteed for an almost unlimited time. Today, Mepra is a European company that in a market that is bigger and bigger and in continual expansion must not follow the times, but be one step ahead. Mepra is a company that has great respect for the environment, using work processes and products that do not pollute. Closed-circuit water and detergent washing which does not discharge pollutants. Purification of wastewater before expelling it into the sewage system. Their own methane gas-generated source of electrical energy, and the recuperation of all the heat deriving from the production cycle for central heating and drying the products. In this way, saving a lot of energy. Emission into the atmosphere of air completely filtered through a special purification plant. Here, our children go to school to raise their level of culture and to be ready tomorrow to plan ever more advanced equipment. Design is the other important aspect of Mepra production. Design all around, at all levels and stages, starting from a study of the form and developing the various stages of the project. Presentation, packaging, and marketing. As regards this, Mepra makes use of important external consulting studios who work together with the technical office for engineering products and processes, planning molds, and the equipment used for production. Cutlery can be divided into 2 families of product. Cold-worked cutlery like spoons and forks, and heat-worked cutlery like knives. The production process for cold-worked cutlery begins with the first cutting, which is done by cutting the shapes from coils of sheet metal previously transformed into a tape format. The next stage is then the lamination and cutting when the pieces take on the shape of the pieces of cutlery. In the coining stage, ornaments are added, and the product is given its final shape, with the right curves to the profiles to make them practical to use. The following stages are a final finishing of the pieces with various cleaning operations. First, the prongs, so as to stop traces of food from sticking to any roughness of the surfaces. Then the sides, which are specially rolled so that when they are polished, they are nice to hold. And last of all, the cleaning of the main surfaces in 2 stages. First, the spoon blade, or the prongs, and then the handles. Special pastes of various abrasive strengths are used to make sure that the products are as well cleaned as possible. After the cleaning stage, a careful degreasing with water and detergent and a rinse with distilled water guarantee the maximum level of hygiene of the treatment. At this point, we come to the most important stage in the production process, the final quality check. Mepra does not consider quality checks of products as just statistical, but they are concerned with 100% of the articles and have the purpose of always guaranteeing the maximum quality. Any product that shows the slightest defect or scratch is discarded and sent back to the cleaning stage, where it will be re-seen and sent to the test again. The production process of heat-worked cutlery, especially knives, takes place in a specific production unit with all stages of work carefully protected. The steel ball or rod is straightened out, cut, heated, forged, and laminated on the forging table. After cooling, it is cut to remove the shavings and tempered to reach the right hardness to keep its cutting edge. Sharpening and serrating are the specific operations for knives, which are then polished using the same sort of process as that for the other cutlery. Washing and final quality checks are similar to the operations used for spoons and forks. In the production of the metal plate, the first operation is cutting the squares from the metal sheet. Once they have been cut, the squares are curved straight away to make trays, or cut in round shapes to produce deep plates. The trays are then cut and, if necessary, bordered to stop the edge from losing its shape. Deep plate is, on the other hand, drawn in various progressive stages. After reaching the final stage of drawing, it is refired and stabilized at a temperature of between 900 and 1000 degrees centigrade in an automatic induction furnace, while special molds give the pieces their final shape, which are then polished internally with a special electrochemical procedure guaranteeing maximum hygiene. External cleaning with abrasive discs of various kinds gives a better shine. After polishing, the products are carefully washed. Then there is the final quality test to guarantee the very highest quality of each single Mepra product. The complementary plastic accessories to our products are molded and mounted in a special production unit. The various kinds of raw material are dyed and put into the press hoppers from where the components are recuperated. Then they are mounted on the steel bodies and handles of the saucepans and cutlery. In this way, the objects match and give the table and surroundings all one appearance. Shipments are sent out after the client's order has been prepared by a special operator and then checked by another operator who sees to the packing in a master carton. The shipment details are automatically recorded on a computer and sent to the shipment office, which prepares the transport documents. Mepra S.A.P., a leading firm in the production of stainless steel articles.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.